hard to believe that Scotland's independence referendum was almost a year ago. The sense of devastation and disappointment felt by Yes campaigners on the morning of September the 19th has been replaced by a steely optimism, and with good reason. The political landscape in Scotland has changed, and changed entirely. What is clearer than ever is that Scotland is ready for change, and the desire for self-determination will not disappear. But independence for us is not about identity or waving flags. It is about having the power over our own lives, the power to pursue policies to tangibly improve the lives of people who live and work in Scotland. We want the powers to create fairness, equality and social justice. That feeling of empowerment, that sense of having our country's future in our own hands, was an incredibly powerful one, too powerful to die down after the vote. The referendum unleashed an energy and enthusiasm amongst everyday people that the unionist parties simply could not contain. Ultimately, the nation will decide how and when to exercise their right to decide. Self-determination is both a journey and one you will be well aware and know well, but is a continual process which moves forward every day. It will be the people who decide, not the politicians, and certainly not David Cameron. If the UK government insists on imposing austerity, punishing the poorest and rewarding the richest, renewing nuclear weapons and edging closer to an exit from the European Union, they will find that the next step comes sooner rather than later. Our journey to independence is not yet over, but we will listen and learn from our experience. And Catalonia, you should too. Donar.